Hi, I'm Tony Stefani with Hillside Christmas Tree Farm. Today we're doing a little bit of, my temporary fix to the barn's lighting situation here in the machine barn that we like to call it, kind of our shop, turned into like our permanent solution. So, we had like retail light, just rope construction lights, and I strung them up, coming down around the edge and then up the center. We had two strings laying around. We had one light in here at one point. So I ran a wire and I put 100-watt incandescent bulbs in it. And, 100 watts times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 adds up pretty quick. So recently I picked up at Menards these 3 LED, 3 panel 30-watt bulbs, and I used them at my house, and I was hoping to put them inside the garage, but the garage door opener, the clearance wasn't enough. So I put them in the basement. I was really happy with them. So I decided that I'll put them inside the barn, and I bought a bunch, picked them up at Menards. I think they were like $2.99 a piece. So yeah, I think that'll do really good in here and save on our energy costs, because I've left these lights on in the past, and my dad knows, because he's actually added a light outside the barn to know that when these lights get left on and overnight, and just save on the utility bills. So I'll put these on, a little before shot. So I just want to get a little perspective. Right now I closed the barn doors. There's a lot of snow outside, so we're reflecting a lot of light in. But this is our current lighting situation with just the 100-watt incandescents. Then we'll do an after shot. Saving money. More light is good. So let's go. All right, lights are in. Let's see if it actually made a difference. Close up the barn. We'll do that. All right, now we have our lights now. Interesting thing about these lights is the life expectancy of them says like 27.4 years based on 3 hours a day. I don't think we're even close to that. We might be like 3 hours a week. So hopefully I will never have to change these lights in my lifetime. So, all right, that does it. Thanks for watching. I'll put a link to these things down below. I think they're working pretty good for a couple bucks. And plus what it saves in our utility bill. Should be fantastic. All right, thanks for watching.